Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, introduces the cash flow quadrant concept, explaining that the rich focus on financial freedom while the poor work for security. You can start generating passive income with assets, even if it seems complicated. Today, I'll show you 10 assets that can work for you, starting now. Number 1. Commodities. The value of paper money, like the US dollar, changes because it's not backed by anything tangible, and the Federal Reserve can print more when needed. This makes relying solely on one currency risky for long-term wealth building, as inflation or economic shifts can diminish its value. To counter this, many wealthy people invest in what Robert Kiyosaki calls God's money, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and food grains. Gold and silver hold inherent value and aren't affected by economic changes in the same way that stocks or bonds are. When markets fall or inflation rises, the demand for these precious metals usually increases. Investing in gold can take several forms, including purchasing physical gold, investing in gold-backed ETFs, or buying gold mining stocks. By diversifying your portfolio with commodities, you're creating stability and a hedge against inflation. These assets can provide growth and protection during economic downturns, offering a valuable layer of security. Number 2. Business. We often admire successful entrepreneurs and wonder how they make billions. Hollywood sometimes portrays them as corrupt or lazy, which can distort our understanding of their success. In reality, building a profitable business takes immense hard work and dedication. The key difference between rich entrepreneurs and employees is how they generate income, passive versus active income. Entrepreneurs work hard initially to build a business that can generate money long after they stop working. Employees, on the other hand, work hard their entire lives, often living paycheck to paycheck. Entrepreneurs also secure their own and their children's futures, leaving a legacy, while employees may not have the same financial security to pass on. Building a business creates a steady stream of passive income, making it one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial freedom. It's challenging and requires vision, determination, and risk-taking. However, the rewards include ongoing income, financial security, and a stable future for your family. Number 3. Real estate. Real estate is a solid way to build wealth, offering multiple opportunities beyond simply buying a house. Investing in rental properties can provide steady income, while the property itself may appreciate in value over time. Location is key. Choosing areas with high demand will help ensure your investment pays off. Additionally, buying commercial properties can offer even more potential as businesses expand and need space. If you don't want the responsibility of managing properties, consider investing in real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management, as professional companies handle the operations. Robert Kiyosaki recommends using other people's money to invest in real estate by leveraging loans. Real estate also offers tax benefits, such as depreciation and the ability to deduct mortgage interest. Over time, you can build a portfolio of properties that reduce your dependence on a paycheck and move you closer to financial freedom. Number 4. Time. Time is money. Use your free time wisely by upgrading your skills or starting a side hustle. Investing in self-improvement can lead to life-changing opportunities. The sooner you start, the better you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Number 5. Paper assets. Investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds creates passive income. Start small, invest regularly, and let your investments grow. This disciplined approach helps you escape the 9-to-5 grind and steadily build wealth, securing your future. Number 6. Land and consumer staples. Agricultural land and consumer staples like food and hygiene products are essential. Farmland tends to increase in value over time and provide stability. Companies producing everyday necessities perform well, even in tough economies, making these reliable investments. Number 7. Health. Your health is one of the best investments. Unhealthy habits can reduce productivity and lead to costly medical bills later in life. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits will boost your earnings and quality of life. Number 8. Energy sector. Investing in the energy sector, particularly oil and gas, can be profitable as demand continues to rise globally. Look for companies focusing on sustainability as the world shifts towards renewable energy. Understanding the sector helps you make smarter investments. Number 9. International investments and currencies. Diversifying internationally can help you benefit from different economies and reduce risk. Investing in currencies like the Swiss franc provides added stability. Keep an eye on global trends and events to make informed decisions. Number 10. Stock indexes. Stock indexes and ETFs are less risky than individual stocks, offering broad market exposure. Use dollar-cost averaging to invest a set amount regularly, smoothing out market fluctuations over time. Stay consistent, start small, and watch your money grow steadily. Remember, building wealth takes time, but starting today is key. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video, and take care.